Hello, I'm Riley. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to do a get ready with me for going out on a college night today. So I hope you like the makeup look. Probably won't be doing too much. I'm trying to use drugstore brands. I'm not sure. I haven't decided what I want to do yet, but that's what I'm aiming for right now. I'm first going to start off with my brows, and I'm going to use this e.l.f. brow pencil, and I think it works pretty well. I'm just gonna like, ooh. That didn't work. Fill them in where it's a little bit lighter in color. Kind of and my brows are cousins, distant cousins, I would say. I am not blessed with similar eyebrows, so it's very difficult to do them. I'm not the best at brows, but I kind of just wing it. I have very thick eyebrows naturally. Okay, after that I will brush through them. I do not spend a lot of time on brows. And then next I'll go in with a brow gel just to set them. I did a face mask the other day and it said it was a peel. I didn't think it would actually make my face peel. It did. It certainly did. So that was lash glue, not eyebrow gel or eyebrow. This is Essence Make Me Brow mascara. I'm gonna just put this in my brows to set them, and I'll fluff them up. Let's brush up. And then I'll go over the comb again, the plain comb from the eyebrow brush. I'm just gonna comb out the excess. Next I'll go in with a brow highlighter under my eyebrows, and I use this Wet n Wild Ultimate Highlighter Brow. And just go under. Okay. I'll use a concealer brush to blend that in. And I'll just take, if there's any excess on the brush, I'll just kind of go up and around it. So my brows are done. Then I'm gonna go in with concealer. Oops, sorry. I'm gonna use my LA Girl Pro Conceal because this one's pretty lightweight and doesn't usually make my eyes dry out. Sometimes my eyes will like look flaky if it's too thick of a concealer. This one isn't too bad, so do that. I'm just gonna blend that in. My eyelids are a little dry. And then I'll use this and this Makeup Revolution Bacon Blot, and a brush, like just a small powder brush, and just set that into the eye. Okay, then I'll do eyeshadow next. I like to do eyeshadow first because it's easier to clean up the lines if you don't have any foundation or other makeup on already. So I'm going to, I think I'm gonna keep it natural today, so I'm just gonna use a bronzer as an eyeshadow. So I'm gonna take a fluffy brush like this one, and then take this NYX bronzer in medium and just do the crease of my eyes. And just go back and forth and bring that up a little. Oh. I need to clean this brush, there's sparkles in it. And just do that. Back and forth. And just keep adding color. Or just keep adding more. So you get a nice color base. Okay, I'm gonna do the next eye. So that's done. I'm gonna add a shimmer later. So I'm gonna do that after I do mascara and everything. And so I'm gonna start with the rest of my face now. First I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. And so I'm just gonna put that on like all done. So this will just make your pores smaller or blur them out. So I just have bigger pores around my T-zone. I think that's my T-zone, honestly. Just like around my nose and cheeks. So I'm just gonna do that. And then I'll go in. Okay, close it. I'll go in Beauty Blender and this Wet n Wild Dewy Lumineux primer. And this is super dewy. It's really nice. Just put that all over my face. So I'm gonna use this e.l.f. oil-free sunscreen. I think it's like satin finish foundation. And I use this, I use the color Buff and I mix it with the color Sand. And this, because Buff is a little bit too dark, but I have a self tan on right now, so it may be fine to just use that, but I'm gonna put that all over my face. And then blend that in. And I'll add some to my neck. Make sure you blend down. Like around, down, whole face. Okay, I need to add more. Okay, now that that's done, this is my little mirror that I've been using. I'm gonna move on to concealer. And for concealer, I don't want to do anything too thick. I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna use this NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop concealer in the color Fair. So I'm gonna put it under my eyes. Hi. And I like to draw a line going up like that, so it'll just be a nice clean line. And my roommate's cat is yelling at me to feed him. Yes, bud, we're done. Okay, I'm gonna use the Real Techniques Beauty Blender thing and blend that up. Okay, because I have a little, I picked up my nose. So, I'm gonna add a little bit of this darker concealer to cover it up. You don't want to use a lighter concealer, otherwise it'll be like more noticeable because it'll just be like a light spot on your face. So I'm just gonna blend that in. Next, I like to go in with contour. And I'm going to use the LA Pro Conceal in the color Toast. So it's just like very dark concealer that I'll just use as contour. And it works really well. And I do it right here, around my face. Like so. Then blend that in. And I like to bring it like to the hairline, so it doesn't look like pale. Like, and then I push that up like this and back. After that, I do highlight, liquid highlight, and I'm gonna use this Makeup Revolution liquid highlight in the color champagne, liquid champagne, and it's beautiful. It looks like this. It's a great highlight, and it's only $9. So just put it around here. A little bit down the nose. And tap that in. Take a beauty blender and blend that. And then I want to set it with this Makeup Revolution Bake and Blot powder. So I'm just gonna dab my beauty blender into that and then put it under my eyes. I'm gonna take a big fluffy brush like this one and just get into that powder and just kind of great. Blend that in all over my face. Because it's hot outside still and I get oily, so flat powder brush and carve out my cheeks under. Then I'm just gonna go back in with this and blend it out. Okay, now I like to add a little bit of moisture back into my face. And I'm gonna use this e.l.f. Dewy Setting Mist. And it looks like this. I'm almost out. It smells so good. It smells like coconuts. It smells so good. Okay, we're almost done. Crazy. I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna do bronzer today because I feel like my face is golden enough. I am gonna do highlight. Sparkles all over my shirt. I'm gonna put some lip gloss on now because my lips are a little bit dry. I'm using the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. And that. Okay, I'm gonna use this L'Oreal Lumineux mascara. Looks like this. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this CoverGirl Exhibitionist and just go over. Okay, last thing, I guess second to last thing, I'm going to add highlight. Some powdered highlight. I'm gonna use this e.l.f. White Gold highlight. I'm just gonna then tip of my nose. Okay, for inner corner of my eyes, I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild. No. I'm gonna use this NYX Shimmer Down in the color Platinum. The Skinny Confidential, Lauren Everett, she loves this. And you just put it on the inner corner of your eyes. It just like makes your nose look smaller and it makes your eyes pop. So I just do a little bit of that. Can you hear the cat? Okay. I'm gonna set it and then I'm done. So I'll do my hair later, but I'm going to meet my friend for dinner, so there. We shall see. I'm just gonna use this Pixi Hydrating Milky Mist Spray. Is that enough? I'm not sure. The cat is getting in a box next to me. Okay. Anyways. This is my makeup look. Going out. Not too heavy. Easy. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.